All right, the car is loaded up. It is Ready Player One night. Vancouver Art Gallery. I gotta thank Brandon at BC DeLorean for the referral. They couldn't make it, but I'm local, so car is very well loaded up. Let's make like a tree and get out here, rock and roll. All right, wish me luck or something. Safe travels. See you in the future.
We've got an R2D2 wandering around the store. Go and say hello to them, guys. Look at this. They showed up because tonight's movie Ready Player One is a sci-fi adventure, classic sci-fi pop culture. Also shows up in the movie, so you might want to go and take a look at some of our fun characters that are out here tonight.
You know, I forget sometimes that I drive this car around with all this stuff in it. It's a lot of fun. A little crazy sometimes, but totally worth it.